Alright, so let's compare the top features of the Blackview BL8000 with the Oukitel WP33 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly compare the specs of both devices side by side. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go, guys. I don't have much to say. These are the two rugged devices compared side by side. So which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.